guys, Mark from Custom Dynamics. Today we're going to install the new Shark Demon front turn signals on a Lowrider ST. This is a 2026 Lowrider ST donated to us by Motor City Harley-Davidson. We're going to install these today. They come in amber and white and of course yellow. So let's get after it. Alright guys, we're here at the bike. We're going to do a little first person install here with the new Meta glasses, so bear with me, it's the first time. But first we're going to remove the windshield, then we're going to take off the fairing. So let's get the windshield off here. Make sure you use fender protection, all that good stuff. Get all the screws out. I like to use a magnetic tray so you can drop them. That's your windshield. Pull that off. We'll set that aside. Now we'll switch up a little bit here. We need to remove these four, two on either side. Get them started out. I'm going to also remove these wind deflector screws, set them aside. So, then we'll get the last two for the fairing. And of course you want to hold the fairing so you don't drop it. You're going to pull the fairing out and away. We'll unplug the headlight. We'll set that aside. When I come back, we'll start to take off the rear or the front turn signals. We're here back at the bike. Once you get the fairing and everything removed, set off to the side. We're going to remove both left and right turn signals. This is the left side. So we're going to remove that. First, we're going to unplug it. We're going to depress the button, unplug it. So Torx, go around the back side here, get that started, take that out, get rid of this boring stock turn signal, set that down. We'll get the Shark Demon, screw will be supplied. Run the wire through. Bolt started. Let's tighten it up. Don't go crazy, just snug it up. And we will plug it in. This is the left side, so it'll be the violet wire. Now we're going to take this excess. We're going to just tie it up in here. We got plenty of room. We'll just run it back and forth like that. Comes with a bunch of cable ties. Like so. Get that up there out of the way as nice and neat as you can. Like that. Get our side cutters and cut off the excess here. And that's it. Tied up there good. Now I'll go on the other side and I'll complete that one. Then I'll come back, I'll put the fairing back on, and then we'll go over how easy this is to install. It's not very hard, but it's just such a better look. If you look at the stock one compared to the Shark Demon, much better look. Alright guys, button up the last windshield screw here, and that is it. We're all finished up, finished product. Turn it on, and look at that. Much better, brighter, better looking. Turn signal, perfect. Super easy install. And that's it. Shark Demon front turn signals for the Lowrider ST. Available now. Pick them up at your local drag specialties dealer. And of course, CustomDynamics.com.